Examples. Watson technology is used in cancer treatment. Since cancer is constantly evolving, Watson technology helps decide if the treatment chosen by the doctor will be the best choice by providing evidence-based treatment decisions. Watson technology is used in drug discovery. The technology uses data that is known and hidden to aid scientific breakthroughs and allows researchers to generate new hypotheses that help with visualizations, processing, and predictions. Watson technology is used in child welfare. It offers domain expertise, best practices, and cognitive insights. It helps organizations to optimize resources and improve at-risk children in crisis. A company called Equibot uses IBM Watson technology in the stock market. Equibot created the first fund, the AI-powered equity ETF, that uses artificial intelligence to invest. It mimics a team of analysts researching which equities to buy and sell. Conclusion. IBM Watson Analytics is an artificial intelligence software that analyzes data so it can be visualized. It is easy to use and pulls data from multiple sources. It is descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive analyst models. It's only in English and requires maintenance. It can be used in cancer treatment, child welfare, and drug discovery and investment. Thank you.